How to log in Capitec Bank online banking account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, go ahead and open up a browser in your preferred device. Search for capitec.com and give it a search. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of Capitec. To log in or sign into your account, go ahead and tap on the sign in option at the very top. You have to go ahead and tap on it. Select if it's personal or business. Tap either of those and select personal online banking or business online banking. It will redirect you to a new web page. To log in, enter your account number or username and tap on the continue button. Also make sure to read all of the security bases. You must be able to log into your account right away. But if you face any of the difficulty, head to the main page of Capitec, select menu and head to contact us. In here, you can type in your problem or select any one of those instructions given to you. You can contact the Capitec agency or even text with them or visit their nearby location. By this way, you can solve any issue you are facing while logging in. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.